Smartphones and TikTok are just a few examples of human-centered design applications. Sonia Souza, Associate Professor at Tallinn University. What does this concept mean exactly, and why is it so important for society?
Nowadays, digital technologies are seen as an extension of ourselves, and as such digital interactions become more complex, our dependency on those tools increases. Take, for example, the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and how it can enrich the way we live and interact in society, but also how it can create dependencies. A good example of that are social media tools like Facebook and TikTok. So, what exactly is human-centered design, and why is it so important to understand its role in shaping society? As I just said, technology can support and empower people's daily activities, but can also create dependencies and persuade us to adjust our actions. Therefore, our past, present and future interactions with technologies have a vital role in shaping society behaviors. Unlike traditional software design methodologies, human-centered design describes the process of creating technologies that focus on benefiting people's needs and not the other way around. This design process prioritizes human well-being and ensures that current systems are not only functional, reliable and efficient, but also intuitive, useful, trustworthy and enjoyable. Such design methods are widely adopted by human-computer interaction experts and contemplate three main key aspects. 1. Observing how people interact with technology. 2. Prototyping digital tools that support people's needs and desires in context. 3. Evaluate the extent that a proposed tool is in fact prioritizing people's well-being. In essence, the mission of a human-centered design expert involves creating digital tools that can bridge the gap between human needs and their technological potential, and 2. Ensure that those digital experiences are intuitive, useful, trustworthy and enjoyable.